Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads, a small business in Abington. And I was just looking at some ads and I came across your company, so I thought I would shoot this screencast and kind of give you some insight into your online presence and how things work. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And, if not, no harm, no foul. So what I did is I did a Google search for you guys. I think I saw you in Clipper magazine, so there is some advertising going on there. But I Google searched Awesome Cleaning LLC, and it looks like I wasn't sure. Where you guys were there, but I might be missing your website, and if I am, I do apologize. You can just let me know. But I just wanted to kind of show you like what some search volume would look like and searches on Google and what goes on here. So I just did cleaning services, Montgomery County, PA. And you have your Google guaranteed ads here, which are good ads. They're better than your traditional ads. And then you have the map pack here, which is what I strive to get my clients into. This just has a lot of visibility. It takes up 5 lines on Google, so you're just very visible. You just have to go through a process to get this. It's called a Google Business Profile, and it's free. And it is a service that I provide. So even if you wanted to do it on your own, you very easily could. You just go to Google Business Profile and set it up with your address and some pictures, and that can get you going up here in the map pack. And this goes on for pages. But once you have it set up and optimized and they clear you and everything, Google does, and they say you're a legitimate business, then you work to get citations, and that's what gets you higher in the map pack. A citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Angie's and Yelp and Yellow Pages and City Search. There's some that are paid out there and there's some that are free. But when you connect yourself in Google, then it rewards you by, it trusts you more. So then you get higher in the map pack. So that's a good place to be. So if you're in the map pack statistically in the first spot and the first business underneath it, not including like Yelps and stuff, then you get about 80% of the searches that come to this page. Like if you're in here, if you're in the first spot, there's no reason someone wouldn't click on your business. If you're third or fourth, they might not, because they might already be happy with number 1 or 2. So in order to get here to this top spot, you'd want to have like a lot of backlinks on your website. So you would create a website and then it would be powered with backlinks, and that would help rank your site up to this top spot. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. So it could just be like a blog about cleaning and someone mentions your website. That website is the backlink, and that blog is called the referring domain. And you can kind of see like this company here. This is the tool I use called Ahrefs. Their backlinks, their domains, the keywords they're being found for, and the traffic they're generating. The domains, what matters is for sure your quality of them. The better quality, the more power you have. So these are some words that are buyer intent. I'll just show you here. Cleaning services, Bucks County. So that would be a good one to put into your content on your website. So it's getting 20 searches a month, so not too many actually. See if we can find a better one. Cleaning Warrington, 60 searches a month for sure. And the KD is 1, which means it's not that difficult to rank for. House Cleaning Doylestown, 20 searches a month, 0 KD. House Cleaning Services Doylestown, PA, 10 searches a month. Montgomery Cleaning Services, 150 searches a month. That's good. So you can kind of see those are the words that you'd focus on to get into your content so you can be found when people are searching for those things in that particular area. So I hope that the video was helpful to you, kind of explained a few things. If you'd like to learn more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. My door is always open. I do work within budgets and can do payment plans and such. Just trying to help local businesses get leads. And I'd love to have a short 10-minute conversation to see if we're a good fit. And if not, no harm, no foul. I just appreciate you watching. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.